Hello and welcome again. Going further from my last video. Last video we did the unpacking of the diamond painting of Donald Duck, this one. And I struggled with all the open diamonds, the loose diamonds. The white bag was broken, so all the diamonds were in the bag. It didn't came in a box. I contact the seller, but with the time difference I heard nothing yet from them. And now I started to look if everything what they should send me for the making the diamond painting is there. Till color 498, that's this one. Till this one, I think everything is there. I think this is 2 bags in one. And yeah, I think that it is, because 150, 152, 154, 159, 310, 318, 350 and 434 came all like this. And I have one bag of 152, and I have 2 bags of 150. Okay, then I have 6 bags of this one, and I have 2 of this one. That's correct. Then we get the whole bunch of black diamonds, drills, diamonds, what you want to call it. They should send me 46. I count them once, I count them twice. I even wanted to count them for the 3rd time, and I was thinking, no, I can count in Dutch, I can count in English, I can count in French, I can even count in German, so no. They sent me 48, so I have 2 more. But then you still remember that I said they give me 8 of the little zip bags, and I was thinking, why 8? Because we have 35 colors. Because the rest is already in zip bags, and that's not really a problem. That's nice, that's easy, but it's all one bag. One bag of 824, one bag of 3,766, one bag of 3,607, and I don't know, because with number 19, color 19, that is 824. Let me see, that's this one, the blue one I just showed you. There should be 6 bags. But is this 6 bags? I don't know. It's my first one, so I don't know what should be in a bag. If I see it like this, 1, yeah, it could be 6, I don't know. But for the rest of all the colors from from color 10 till color 35, so 25 colors are already bagged, and there is just 1 bag of them, and they say 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 5, 6, 3, 5, 4, 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 4, 2, 1, 4, 2, 3, 2, 4, and 14. I put them in my own bag because the one they sent me was broken. This is color 3865, 3600, no, 3865, sorry, 3865. And what I also have is this. I don't know if you have this, and comment below, please do this if you also have this problem. And I'm not sure if it's a problem, but I have this. You see, there is an other color inside, and those are all blue. Now I lost it. Where is it again? Let me find it. No. Ah, there it is. See, there is another color inside this bag, but there is also another color inside this bag. Believe it. And there is another color in this bag. And there is another color, I don't know if you can see him, there he is, there, yeah. And there is another color in this bag. And I have this in more bags. If there is enough colors, it's not really a problem, but I think it's a little bit messy. Messy, is this the correct word? No, maybe it's not messy, it's not correct. If you buy something and okay, these colors, I think they just have one big box of every color, and those colors, I don't know how this works, but this comes like this, so I think they receive them like this, or they make it like this, I don't know, but this, I think they fill these bags themselves and put a number on it. So I think 100 pieces weight 10-15 gram or whatever, I don't know, and then I put it in a bag, they weigh it, and approximately it is this. And also I have this kind of things inside. It's the same plastic like the diamonds, only rubbish. And I have it not a lot, but there is rubbish inside. So are the diamonds good quality? I don't know. It's my first one I'm going to make, so I don't know other quality. The white ones, this was really a mess, but look how much different. I will change the camera position. Look, I will put it like this. How much different colors diamonds there inside. There is pink, there is black, there is turquoise, blue, yeah, green, some brown, oh there, pink again, sorry, orange, brown, black, brown again. So yeah, it's a big mix of colors. And how is this with your diamond paintings? Do you always get them like this, or also put in little bags like this, or in big bags, not like this because this was my own, but similar bags, and with a lot of different colors inside? And are this really 2680 diamonds, beads? I don't know. So I think this is what it is. All the colors are there, and I only cannot count them. The first 9 I can because they are what it is, but then they have their own system. So I think it's time to push this all away and get my diamond painting with it. So I will do, in a clip of my finger, everything is gone here and my painting is on the table. So that's fast, isn't it? Finally something goes fast. I have one string here, I will cut it, and then the painting. This thing I will look at. So I changed my camera position a little bit so you can see a little bit more. I'm right-handed for you left, but this is the hand that I will work with. So where do I start? I saw people starting at the bottom. Other people say don't start at the bottom because you're going to work down and then it's lying on your lap. So I was thinking to start in the top. I can start here or I can start here. If I start here, it's more easy for me like this, but then I am with my hand on the glue. So I think I will start on this side, so I have my hand on the table, and as far as I go, I will let my hand rest on my diamonds. And then shall I cut this or shall I leave it? What is the most practical way to do this? Do I need to look, this was cut here, is to remember. What is the most practical way to do it? Just cut it a little bit so I can do this in twice. Just if I do it like this. Let me change my camera position again because I'm talking, you hear it and you see completely. Okay, I think this will work like this. So then I just keep it like this and just start here with the black and then do this part. Or shall I just cut this also and then I just start with this one and then I can close this. So it will be like this. Someone told me not to do this because you get some paper things, so I will cut it with the scissor. I think I will do it like this. So I'm going to start with the black, the heart shape, so I think it's 310. Yeah, it's 310, the black ones. And then we shall see where it stops. So yeah, I'm going to do it like this. I think I will cut it in twice, the one side of the canvas. There are 2 sides of the canvas, there are 2 sheets on top of it, and I will cut it in the half, and then I will do one part, and then I will do the next part. What is more easy to do? Shall I cut the paper when it's done apart, or should I leave the paper that I can close it again? What is the most practical way to do it? I think when it's done, so you don't have to cover it again. But again, this is my first diamond painting. I don't know what is more easy, or what's how should I do it? So please tell me how you do it. Come and join me in the next video and see how my Donald comes to life with diamonds. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you real soon. Take care and have a nice day.